Welcome dear students. Standard 4th Subject English. Lesson number 17 No Formalities Please Part 2. So students, today we are going to learn No Formalities Please Part 2. So students, in the second part of the lesson, as soon as the class gets over, Mrs. Desai meets the principal. She tells the principal about the excitement in the class when she announced the arrival of new books in the library. She also tells the principal that the children cannot wait. They are quite eager to read the books. The principal too was happy and she praised Mrs. Desai, saying that credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai, as you have created and increased their interest in reading books, and this will surely help them in their future. So students, beamed means she smiled with pleasure, aroused means made somebody have a particular feeling or attitude. Appeal means to make a serious or formal request. After that, Mrs. Desai informed the principal that the children find the weekly library period too short as they get very less time to read. She tells the principal that the students are requesting to permit them to take the books home, and they have written a letter of request too. On hearing this, the principal was surprised and asked, "A letter? Why?" When Mrs. Desai saw that the principal was surprised hearing about the letter, Mrs. Desai explained the principal as she had to teach the class how to write a polite formal letter. She took this opportunity. Opportunity means chance, and she made them write a formal letter. Then students, principal was very happy. She praised Mrs. Desai and said, "Excellent," and she told she will not dampen. Dampen means reduced their interest in reading. She will certainly allow the students to take the books home for reading. Next morning, when the principal entered her cabin, she found a letter on a desk and she understood it is the same letter Mrs. Desai was talking about, a letter of request written by the student of class 4th asking permission to take the library books home. The principal signed the letter with a remark, "Permission granted," and the letter was sent to the librarian. And to encourage the student of class 4th, the principal instructed the librarian to give a written reply to the students. Now, here is the letter written by the librarian. Let's read the letter. Children, while writing a letter, the sender's name and address as shown here in this letter was written to the right hand corner. But children, please make a note that nowadays we write the sender's address and name to the left hand corner above the receiver's name and address. Now here the sender is the librarian. So he has written the address as Library Pragati Vidyalay Vachanpur 7th July 2014, and the receiver's address is written who is receiving the letter to the student of class 4th. Dear children, I am delighted to know that you are so keen on reading the new books in our school library. The principal has been kind enough to grant to your class permission for home issue facility. I shall keep the library open for an hour after school on all weekdays. You can come and collect any one book of your choice and return it the following week. But I must urge you to read and observe the library rules displayed in the library. Do come and enjoy reading the books. Sincerely yours, Mr. Vijay Patil, librarian. Now students, what happened? There was a great news, cried the monitor, and she told, here we have received a letter from librarian. Guess what? We can take the storybooks to read at home. Wow! Exclaimed Shruti with big round eyes. Goodbye boredom. Welcome happy hours, shouted Akshay. Boredom means the state of feeling tired and impatient because you have nothing interesting to do. So students, the letter which we got from the librarian, it was put in the class notice board to read everyone. So students, when Mrs. Desai entered in the classroom, the students of class 4th burst out into many exclamations of thanks. Exclamation means sudden loud cry or shout. Then students, shall we write a letter of thanks to the librarian? Suggested Manuja. That's an excellent idea, said Mrs. Desai, smiling to herself at this new interest in formal letter writing. This is the letter of thanks the children wrote to the librarian. So children, you can see over here down a letter, an expression of thanks. So students, have you understood this lesson? Thank you.